Moving over to IoT creators, who are also doing a Nordic Thingy 91 giveaway. That's right, they're giving away 1,000 of these little cellular IoT kits that I love so much. I've talked about them loads on this show. We are running a competition with Nordic as we speak, using the Thingy 91. They're great. And this is another opportunity for you to get your hands on one if you didn't enter our giveaway before. And IoT creators, if you're not familiar, are a site which provide a bunch of services for cellular IoT, as well as providing actual physical eSIMs, so you don't have to plug in SIM cards or anything. They provide LTE-M services. They provide an API for always online cloud service, so you don't have to roll your own. They look like a really useful company for people wanting to prototype and work with IoT. And yes, they're also giving away a bunch of Nordic Thingy 91s, and all you need to do is give them your name, your email, and what you want to make with it, which probably sounds familiar to a few of you. And do remember that if you do win this competition and end up with a Thingy 91, you could always turn straight round and enter the Make It Smart competition and potentially win $1,000 with your creation. Or maybe just the Oculus Quest 2 that Edge Impulse are giving away. Who knows? But yeah, I wanted to show this because the Thingy 91 is a really wonderful bit of kit, and it's fantastic that IoT creators are giving a bunch of them away. And so if you would like to find out more, go to the link in the description of this video.